Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video right now, according to your time factor. Welcome to this channel, Happy Life. If this is the first time you came across my video or this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, any kind of social media you are using. Turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload useful video like this. Today, in this video, I want to talk about this. Without mentioning the name, you have already know what it is. Okra. Okra is a cooking ingredient, but can also be used as a powerful protection herb against evil spirits, causes, or other negative energies. Bathing with okra is one of the best ways to protect yourself against evil people. These baths can be done once in a month or regularly, and they will improve your spiritual hygiene. Before attempting an okra bath, you should first see if you may have an allergic reaction to okra. So test this by cutting the okra like this in half and putting some of the slimming liquid on the back of your hand. So if you have the okra allergic, you will surely know, because you will not like it, your body will react to it. So that if you have allergy to it, you don't need to do this. But if you don't have it, please try to do it. Once the allergy problem has been confirmed, you can prepare the bait. For an okra bait, you need to have at least 20 okra pots. 20 okra pots at least, preferable fresh one like this. This is fresh one. A big basin and some water, a sieve and a strainer. So here is how to prepare it in a simple way. Pour 2 fresh water cup into the basin. The next move is to rip the okra pots open using your hand. So use your hand. The main intention is to cross them in a very small pieces. The smallest you can. You can use a knife to cut them into pieces if it is hard for you to use your hand. With your hand places upon the okra, pray to God that He will make any evil sent to you go away. When you are doing this, after all of the okra pods are broken, you should take them in your hand and squeeze them as hard as you can to get all the juice out. So after you cut it small by small, so use your hand to squeeze it as if you are squeezing leaf. So all what I'm trying to explain here is trying to extract the okra juice out of it. When we are squeezing the okra, water should be added cup by cup to obtaining the juice. After you finished adding water and squeezing the juice out, you have to wait about 30 minutes to let it rest so that it can settle down. After half an hour has passed, take the pieces of okra out of the strainer. When doing this, squeeze them again just to make sure all the juice is in the basin, I mean the bowl. The remaining okra pieces are not needed, so you can throw them away. Put 2 white candles on both sides of the basin and light them. So when the basin stand like this, put 1 candle here, put 1 candle here. Use your hand to stir the water, and this will be rather slimming. Don't worry, because this is exactly how they should be. The next step is to take the basin with you to the bedroom. Don't off the candle, please. Let them be burned when you are in the bedroom. The candle will be your gateway filled with light. That's the purpose of lighting the candle. While in the bedroom, pray with Psalm 37. If you do not want to read the psalm, You can pray using your own words, your own language, what you believe, for the cause that are upon you to be shattered. Finally, pour the liquid from your head to your toes. You will feel awkward, take note, but this is how it should be done. It is very important to cover your entire body with the solution, I mean the okra water you prepare. Don't leave any part of the body uncovered. If you are a woman and then you braid your hair, I can advise you to use your braid to do this prayer when you lose your braid, so that you can use the water to wash your head as well. After a minute, then take the slim off using normal water. I mean bathe, normal bathe. Even if you can use soap and sponge to wash off. After you got it all off, you can get out of the bed. Don't off the two candles you light, let them be burning down, so, and throw the wax away. For the rest of the day, keep calm and relaxed. Don't fight anybody, don't angry, don't mad at anybody, and you should already feel better. Do not capture any unused water. I mean, the water you used to bathe, the okra water, maybe there's remain little in your pocket, or don't let it stay in your bedroom. So, and do not let any slim dry on your body. Once you bathe, clean your body very well. Let all go down the stream. So it's a simple thing. It's a simple thing. You will see changes if you can do this. In future, I will explain how to use okra to get general love, to obtain many things good, to obtain good thing in your life, in another video, maybe in another video shall. Okay, so thank you for watching this video once again. If this is the first time you came across my video or this channel again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friend through Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when I upload new video like this. And then thank you to support me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless all of us and answer our prayer. Amen.